This video is intended to show you how to create a new part in Autodesk Inventor and then how to make some shapes in the sketch mode. So there are three options I can use. At the very top, I have the drop down option to make a new part. I can also use the main ribbon here to make a new part, or I can choose the icon here to click and make a new part. Once that is done, it opens me up to Autodesk Inventor, and I simply choose to start sketch in the top left corner. I then have the three planes of existence to choose from. I generally start with the XY plane. Once there, I simply choose a shape. Now, a basic shape here, if I want to choose a rectangle, would be to click and then come on to my sketch, click to begin, and from this point I can create a rectangle of any size that I'd like. As you can see, my numbers there at 0.768 inches is highlighted, which allows me to simply type in a number if I so choose, and then I can hit tab to switch to the other direction. And again, type in a number, hit enter, and that will automatically make the exact size shape that I so choose. And then from there, I would simply say finish sketch. Now I can continue that in the same way by adding more pieces. If I choose to make a circle, I would click and then pull away, and again I can type in a number for a specific size. I can choose a line, which allows me to make just a simple straight line from one place to another. Notice how these two lines would be connected at that turning point, and I also am able to use the angle degrees down below. You can see that it's rotating down to about 90 degrees there. I can rotate it farther to 146 here, or I can choose the length. And again, I can tab between those two choices so I can type in a specific number if I so chose. I can click escape to stop making that kind of a part. And one other that we do use oftentimes, down here under rectangle, the drop down menu, I would go clear down to a polygon, and this allows me to choose a specific number of sides for a shape. So in this case it's a six-sided figure. If I click here and pull away, you can see that I have a six-sided figure, and I can rotate it to make it whatever direction I would want it to be, and I would simply click, and then there is my six-sided figure. If instead I wanted to make a triangle, I would highlight that as a 3, and I click and pull away, and now you can see I have a simple triangle. So any one of those shapes are things that you can make using Autodesk Inventor.